The Fatigue Life Estimator (SN curve calculator) determines how many cycles a component can withstand before failure under cyclic loading. Let's examine the input fields. First, enter the alternating stress sigma A in megapascals. Next, input the ultimate tensile strength Sut, also in megapascals. The surface factor K accounts for surface finish effects, with a default of 0.8. The size factor KB considers component dimensions, defaulting to 0.9. The load factor Kc represents loading conditions, set at 1.0. The temp factor Kd accounts for operating temperature, also 1.0. Finally, the reliability factor K adjusts for desired reliability level, defaulting to 0.897. For our example, I'll enter an alternating stress of 10 megapascals and ultimate tensile strength of 10 megapascals, keeping all factors at their default values. After clicking Calculate, we get two critical results. The endurance limit C equals 3.2 megapascals, representing the stress level below which infinite life is theoretically possible. The cycles to failure. N shows 4.24E3, or 0.00424 cycles, indicating extremely low fatigue life due to the high stress ratio. This suggests immediate failure would occur under these conditions. This calculator helps engineers predict component longevity under cyclic loading conditions. Find the link in the description below.